Hey everybody, welcome to my channel, The Brazilian Polyglot. I'm tharlesdiasdeoliveira, and today we're gonna see the world of the nasal sounds. Today I'm gonna introduce you to the nasal sounds, which are this. Hell yeah. So let's keep simple, let's start it. I'm going to introduce you to this both guys right there. So these first two, they have something on the A and the O, and we call that tio. So this thing above them is like, it's called tio. We use it to indicate it that the sound has to change. So then just a letter without anything on the letter, we say A and O. A and O. But now the sound has to change because we have the tio on the letters. So it's gonna be like that. Just like Okay, I don't have maturity enough to do this. Remove all children from the living room right now. So you got it. Next one is just like It's gonna get easier as soon you know some words, okay? I promise you. I have these two sounds right now, and So then we're gonna use them in some sentences. Just for you get used to this sound, I'm just going to say some words with So then, let's go. Canção, canção, cão, cão. Palavrão, palavrão. Irmão, irmão. Não, não. Amanhã, amanhã, amanhã. Maçã, maçã. Mãe, mãe. Notice if you try to say the sentences with like this, mine, mine, it's almost impossible. You can't do it. So okay, now you have it. I'm just gonna do like with this both sounds right there, the O, some sentences for you. Leão, leões. Gavião, gaviões. Camarão, camarões. Anão, anões. Aldeão, aldeões. Coração, corações. So okay, so let's move to the next session. And which is pretty much the same. It is the same sound, so you don't need to worry right here. Let's see the sound. So let's see the first sound. Anjo, anjo. Andar, andar. Antigo, antigo. Cantar, cantar. Esperança, esperança. Confiança, confiança, confiança. Right now let's see the second sound, which is the same. Também, também. Aceitaram, aceitaram. Concordam, concordam. Tiram, tiram. Utilizam, utilizam. Admiram, admiram. Okay, it's time to sound. Like it's just like that. So first section, ontem, ontem. 11, 11. Onça, onça. ponto, ponto, tronco, tronco. Next one, on, which is the same like the first one, on, dom, dom, som, som, tom, tom, com, com, batom, batom, bom, 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 garçom, garçom, bombom, bombom, marrom, marrom. It was super hard to record this video. The birds are crazy outside. My camera, something happened with the audio on it. I don't know. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I also record a lot of videos in Portuguese, Brazilian Portuguese, and then you can also check it out. Okay? See you guys soon. West side.